What's up, y'all? It is Friday, October the 2nd. I hope everyone had an amazing week, but more importantly, I hope you guys had a productive week. This update is brought to you by the good people at KW Philly. KW Philly is the number one real estate brokerage in the city of Philadelphia. So if you need help buying a property, if you need help selling a property, or if you or a colleague or a friend is looking to get into a career in real estate, please let me know. I would love to make that connection for you. With that said, let's get right into the update. All right, y'all. Today I'm going to touch on where we are regarding the stimulus check and the stimulus package, the October 15th tax deadline, and some of the things you need to start preparing for and thinking about as we head into the fourth quarter. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about today is taxes. Taxes are due in 13 days on October the 15th. If you extended your tax return or if you just didn't file, and if you need help preparing your tax return, please let me know. I would love to help you. If you did not file your tax return for a few years, please consider filing before the IRS reaches out to you. If you file before the IRS contacts you, there will be no criminal charges, and you may be able to get out of paying some late fees. Now, the week started with the New York Times reporting President Trump only paid about $750 in federal taxes. Let me be clear. I have not seen President Trump's tax return, but I'm pretty sure it's complex. But the one thing that I can say is through business and through real estate, you can take advantage of huge tax savings. With business, with business, you have deductions and losses that if you have in prior years, you can carry forward, or you can even carry back to years where you are profitable to reduce your tax bill. And then with real estate, you have the beauty of things like depreciation and things like the 1231 exchange that allows you to exchange property without recognizing any gain on the sale. You know, the tax laws, are what they are. And, it's all about, putting yourself in position where you can take advantage to the things to the options that are available to you. So, for my people that's in real estate or for my people who are in business, this is the reason why I always, advocate, whether it's me or if you have an accountant, advisor, or somebody, within your financial team that you can talk to on a consistent basis so you can make sure that you're taking advantage of everything that's available to you. Another important date worth mentioning before I move forward is October 1st, which was yesterday. And that marks the beginning of the fourth quarter, the most important quarter of the game. This is when you evaluate your business, you see what you need to do in order to win the year and to meet your financial goals. In addition, this is where you review your tax liability and you plan accordingly. So like I said, once again, if you need help, please let me know. I work with a team of CPAs and advisors. We would love to help you to make sure that, for one, your taxes are prepared, but most importantly, that you're planning for your taxes to make sure that you're paying your fair share, nothing more, nothing less. So after the New York Times released that report on Monday regarding President Trump's uh, federal tax payments, we all had the pleasure of watching the presidential debate on Tuesday. And if you did not watch it, uh, at this point, you probably don't have to waste your time with it. But that's just my opinion. The next debate is scheduled for October the 15th. And there is some rumor that this time around the mics will be muted to to prevent each other from interrupting. So we will see about that. So last night, I mentioned around 8 o'clock, the House of Representatives, controlled by the Democrats, approved a $2.2 trillion stimulus package, which includes a second stimulus check and PPP for small businesses. But I want you guys to keep in mind that the stimulus bill needs to pass in the House of Representatives, which it did, but it's controlled by the Democrats. And it needs to pass within the Senate, which is controlled by the Republicans. It's been known, it's been put out there that the Republicans are not willing to spend as much as the Democrats are asking for. They only want to spend about 1.6 trillion, and the Democrats want to spend 2.2 trillion. So it is believed that this will not pass in the Senate, but the moment a bill does pass the House and the Senate, I promise you I will let you know the details ASAP. Moving forward, not moving forward, staying on the same topic in regards to the Paycheck Protection Program. While the first round of PPP did end on August the 8th, for everybody who did apply, I just want to keep reminding you guys that you have 24 weeks until after the money is received until you have to submit that Form 3508 to your bank so that PPP money can be free money. So if you did not go through that process, or if you need help going through that process, please let me know. I would love to help. This is your weekly update. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jarrell Daniels. I am the CEO of JD Tax and Accounting Advisors, where we help our clients with financial management to make sure they know their numbers and can make informed decisions. We help our clients with taxes to make sure that they're prepared, but most importantly, that they're creating a strategy to help them save on their tax bill. And then last but not least, business development in regards to forming a business, whether that's an LLC or corporation or a limited partnership, and developing a strategy to help them get from point A to point B and reach their financial and business goals. If you have any questions with anything that I just said, please visit the website, or you can contact me via email, which is listed on the screen. I hope everyone has an amazing weekend, and please don't forget to set aside some time to plan your work and work your plan. Y'all have a great weekend. Talk to y'all soon.